Welcome to Makeup Therapy. I'm Manuel. I'm 46 years old makeup lover, and today, together with the group Beauty Over 40, we are doing collabing look around the theme of I think that it's a National Crayon Day or something like that, something funny. But the question is how many colors we can put on the lid. So I will try to make cohesive look with many colors. If you are interested to see who is in the collab. The information are obviously in the description box, but you can see the clips right now and enjoy that moment. I will prepare my eyes and we can start the fun. Alright, I prime my eyes with PLouise primer, and I want to ask you, how did you enjoy the clips? I know that maybe it was not too many this week, this month, but it's just a little crazy time, right? It's like a new year again, and I think that not just me get like late last minute and very busy, so I'm gonna use the palette Cristalize by Bellabeautebar for the start, but I have also another one which is Unlock Your Creativity by PLouise, and I will show you inside. Here I want to use the neutral colors. It's a palette which I had outside on my desk, and I want to use it more. It's very beautiful though, super shimmer. So if shimmers we need, that will be from Bellabeautebar. And then PLouise, it's that kind of book form, and it's full of colors. It's like a really how I will show you this way. This is the one side of the book, and then when we get to the other side of the book, we have all of these greens, blues, and you know, everything in the kitchen sink. And this is the matte palette. So I'm putting that aside because I want to start with the neutrals, to be fair, and with creating something just neutral for the beginning. I was starting with this light shade and quickly try to apply that on my mobile lid a little bit above. It's like a bone kind of shade. It's a shade very similar to the base. And here under my brow. Don't know what will happen later with this, but that's the start. Now I will take another brush. I'm a little bit on the run, to be honest, again. It's like crazy, but forgive me, guys. Once I will see it normal. Now this brownish, a little bit with the purple tone. Yeah, it's definitely purple tone, but I don't mind. I'll create some like kind of classic look. We'll go back to the first shade, and it's pretty simply. I'm getting a little gap here because I think that this is the place where I'm planning to put the colors, so this can be just lightly something. I think like so it will be good. Okay, I'm thinking that maybe on the mobile lid I will put some shimmer, and I'm kind of gravitating towards this one, so not quite sure what is the name, but I'll try to edit that. I hope I will. It's a future me. Such a beautiful palette, really. Okay, but do we have a colors, right? So normally you do more colors, Manuela. Yeah, that's true. I usually do lots of colors. I like lots of eyeshadows. As I have a lot of collection, big collection, lots of in here with me. So I need to take the tissue, not tissue, that wet wipes. I like to have it handy, like to clean whatever fallout I have on the go, and the shimmer. So I will just clean a little bit under if there is something. Right, I'm tapping it with my brush from my base, and now we'll get to that colored palette, and I'm gonna start with the purple because it's the closest kind of to the shade we already have. Let me just grab the flat brush. I should have something here ready. Okay, make some lovely brush, and let me just clean this brush a little bit, be sure that I don't have any other pigment, and I will be doing like that several times, I think. So I'm taking the darkest purple, okay, and we will do the line over here. Definitely my hood doesn't help with that kind of ideas, and we need to live with it. I cannot do anything else. Now I'm gonna quickly take and rub this brush, and I'll take the shade which is maybe this hot pink, and try to apply very close. So we have now two. I don't know if this is color competition, but these PLouise colors are so lovely. Pigmented. Oh, you need to look at me at the side. I don't know if what you see. Take it tiny little bit back. It's gonna be in frame. Yes. Alright. Now I'm cleaning this brush, and I'm going to this shade which is calling me so strongly, this orange. The palette is bright, it has pastels. I'm putting it here. Oh, this is little fallout. The orange gave me little fallout. So we have a handy dandy and this color is looking so good together. Handy dandy wet wipe. Right, now we get our brush with base, just to be sure that there is something. I don't want to draw on my bare skin with the eyeshadows. Sometimes they can stain or something. I will take maybe this yellow, maybe these two. I mix it a bit. This one is warm and I like it maybe more intensive, right? The pastels and the yellows are funky on me. So okay. and we are a little bit on the under eye area. And now we'll take from under eye area a little bit of other side of this palette. So I'm not digging into pastels anymore or any of those. And we get to some just happy green maybe. Oh, these plastics, you know. So I'm gonna get to this super bright greenish shade. I need to apply more because, oh yeah. And now with the same brush wrapping around my towel, I will take this green shade darker. We have two greens. I want to just make it like a line. Hope that it will become something cool from it. Now I'm gonna take this shade, this here, like tealish. I love that kind of shade. Right. It's not the neatest job, but you get the idea. Now I will take this blue over here. So I'm looking for the pigment. I'm looking for some strong colors, not the pastels. Make it a little bit artistic. Let's excuse myself for the mess, right? Okay, now the last shade I'm gonna use is this one here, Periwinkle, and that will be my inner corner. I think it will play with this shimmer we used. Something different, definitely edgy and funky, but we have always fun with the this group, and you know, when I should do this if not now, right? I will finish my face and show you final look. This is my final look. For that, how many colors I could put, I don't know. I didn't count. Did you count with me? Because I lost the counting. However, this is a little bit edgy and maybe some grungy event look. However, the challenge with colors, I think it's marked. Yeah, PLouise palette is super colored and really the pigments are very nice, absolutely nice. I see lots of creators are using these pigments, that creators who are making that kind of funky looks. I love to watch them and admire the talent. So the matte absolutely, you know, full of impact from both sides. So we did definitely dip in the purple, in the pink, so it's two orange and then yellows, both of them. Then we dipped in the green, the light one. Ugh, I'm trying to all of them, not necessarily. The light green. So how many was the other side? Oh, I already lost it. But from this one it's green, and another green, turquoise, then blue, and this periwinkle. Right, quite a bunch. Okay, I will not keep you with me. Please go watch my friends if you didn't yet. If you are coming from them, thank you so much for watching, and I'm not that scattered like today every time, I promise. However, I'm a bubbling kind of person. And do you like colors? That's my question. What is your favorite? I gravitated to teals and blues. That's my favorite colors. I love the ocean, so that's probably my favorite colors. But I think that in the spring I like also purples. Maybe because it's Easter and that kind of association with the dramatic event in the church, and colors there. Maybe that's what is inspired me with that color. But generally, teals are mine. All right, love and kisses. Take care of yourself, just like in Plan You First than others. Have a great holiday if you're celebrating. If you're celebrating Pascha, have a great holiday too. And I don't know what else is now on the... Okay, I will be not thinking too long. Love and kisses to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.